Jumping straight into the heart of the matter, what if something as simple as eating half a cup of a $3 smack could actually help shield your body against cancer? It might sound surprising, but scientific research suggests that small dietary choices can have a profound impact on our health. Consider this: consuming just 2 handfuls of almonds, an easy, affordable snack, has demonstrated potential in protecting our bodies from the kinds of stress and damage that accelerate aging and can lead to dangerous mutations, including those that trigger cancer. Our cells are under relentless assault from various stressors present in modern life. These include environmental pollutants, ultraviolet rays from the sun, processed foods loaded with preservatives and chemicals, and even the natural processes within our own bodies, like metabolism. All these factors produce harmful molecules called free radicals, unstable compounds capable of damaging DNA, cell membranes, and proteins over time. Such damage contributes not only to aging, but also plays a significant role in initiating many types of cancer. Over time, these continuous onslaughts can overwhelm the cell's natural repair mechanisms. If critical genes that control cell growth and program death are affected, genetic mutations can accumulate. This chaos allows abnormal cells to multiply unchecked, eventually forming tumors. Recent studies from Iran and Afghanistan shed light on how almonds can help counter these processes. Researchers observed that eating around 2 large handfuls of almonds significantly improved markers associated with oxidative stress, essentially reducing damage to DNA and lipids, fats in our cells, while simultaneously strengthening the body's antioxidant defenses. Why almonds? They are packed with vitamin E, polyphenols, and healthy fats, all compounds known for anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Interestingly, the benefits appear more pronounced with higher almond intake, likely because of the synergistic effects of these nutrients. Of course, not all studies yield identical results, and differences in almond preparation, like roasting or salting, and the overall health profile of participants can influence outcomes. Despite this variability, almonds continue to be recognized as nutritional powerhouses. Still, scientifically pinning down their precise effects regarding disease prevention remains complex, primarily because research results can be inconsistent. Variations in study design, duration, and participant health status make direct comparisons challenging. To clarify these effects, recent comprehensive analyses synthesized data from 8 high-quality studies involving over 400 participants, including healthy adults, smokers, and those with chronic illnesses. These studies tested a range of almond consumption, from small portions of about 5 grams to large servings of approximately 168 grams daily, over periods spanning 1 to 6 months. They found that consuming at least 2 large handfuls of almonds daily, roughly 60 grams, could have noticeable health benefits. This amount was associated with a significant decrease in cellular membrane damage by approximately 0.46 units, a reduction in DNA damage by around 5.83 units, and an increase in the body's own defenses against oxidative stress by about 2.02 units. Since 1997, when the World Cancer Research Fund first suggested diets rich in nuts and seeds might help guard against some cancers. Despite lacking conclusive evidence at the time, research has steadily built a case for nuts as a valuable component of cancer prevention. Over decades, large observational studies across several countries have observed that people who regularly include nuts in their diet tend to have lower incidence rates of certain cancers, notably prostate cancer. Some findings even hint at a protective effect against colon cancer in women, where even small daily amounts of nuts show measurable health benefits. Laboratory and animal studies support these observations, revealing that almonds might actively inhibit early stages of cancer development and activate natural anti-tumor mechanisms in the body. For instance, diet rich in almonds reduces precancerous growths in the digestive tract and could stimulate the body's defenses against tumors. Adding to this, a 2022 study published in Advances in Nutrition highlighted that a daily intake of about 28 grams of mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios was associated with a 21% lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes, an 11% reduced risk of dying from cancer, and a 22% decrease in the risk of premature death from any cause. The benefits are believed to stem from a unique combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that improve cholesterol profiles, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood vessels. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which is vital for protecting cells against oxidative damage, and monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad LDL cholesterol. Integrating a handful of almonds with meals may even help reduce blood sugar spikes by up to 30%, a remarkable effect comparable to some diabetes medications. While these findings point to almonds as a powerful functional food, more tightly controlled, large-scale studies are needed before official dietary guidelines recommend increasing almond intake for disease prevention. And it's worth noting that consuming almonds excessively can have downsides. Too much fiber too quickly can cause bloating, gas, or diarrhea. Rarely, excessive intake, especially combined with vitamin E supplements, might lead to toxicity or increased bleeding risk due to vitamin E's blood-thinning effects. People prone to kidney stones should also keep an eye on almond consumption because they contain oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation if accumulated excessively, particularly with inadequate hydration. However, a typical almond portion and moderate intake are generally safe and pose minimal risk when part of a balanced diet. Overall, the potential health benefits of almonds, especially when eaten in moderation, make them a compelling choice, not just as a snack, but as part of a strategic approach to long-term health.